So what we're doing out here right now, meeting the contractor to figure out the exact game plan. Obviously all this is gonna be demoed. We're gonna make it all conforming with one tile. As you see standing here, you got 3-4 different kinds of tile. There's no lighting in this main room. So we're doing a full job in here. Do it right the first time as always. Come on through the kitchen. Here's a room we're probably gonna convert into a bedroom over here. It's got a very dysfunctional floor plan, but all this is getting gutted. We'll make a nice little kitchen, eating area. Again, look at all the different types of tile. It's crazy we're standing here. That stuff just bugs me. We have a dysfunctional house right now, but we're here to make it functional, beautiful, no band-aids, full surgery. Welcome to the newest acquisition. This place was a disaster, absolute disaster. Got a water heater over here. Ugh, laundry room here. Pretty nasty, pretty nasty. It's citrus season, boys. I bet these are good. Oh yeah, listen. Jose, piensas que son listos a comer? This is a grapefruit. It's citrus season, baby. This is a foreshadowing of how good this house is gonna be. Amazing. Look at the plumbing coming out of here. I can assure you that this is not to code. This is the interesting part of the house. 2 bedrooms, 1 bath. But in this bedroom, there's already a built-in bath. It's the weirdest thing. I wanna make this more functional like a master suite, but then you come through this hallway and you got this bedroom. Look at this one, also no AC. But I wanna make this more like a master retreat, or this could be like a guest house type situation. I think this wall gets demoed out and you reconfigure the whole space and cut it in half. Yeah, you have like a closet in each side, or just call it like a guest suite, because if someone's visiting, they don't even need a closet per se. I would make this more of a master suite, utilize the space, have a smaller shower. You don't need a full same size bathroom there. Just make it a smaller little retreat type situation. We'd have a 4-bed, 3-bath. Nobody's got that in Youngstown. It'll be easier to see once this is all demoed out in here, but I like the notion of piggyback 2 bathrooms because we already have the plumbing here. It's not a big deal. You have your own detached little deal. Someone's mother or somebody's living there. They got their own little space, and we're maximizing. It's so dysfunctional. Walk through a room to another room. You have your own external access. People, if they want to work from home or they have family or whoever, especially now with COVID, they want their own little isolation. Maybe they rent this out. Who knows? This is like artwork. Everybody sees it a little bit differently. Do we need to open this up? There could be a benefit, right, to cheat it, to run ducts through it. Or you also have, you could do some sort of exposed duct if we just do a modern kind of motif. But I would run the kitchen this way. The quality of these windows. What? Hello?
Are you gonna sell this house?
Yeah, we're gonna sell it.
Are you the owner or you're just working on it?
I'm the owner.
What are you gonna ask for it?
After the full remodel, we're probably gonna be around 240-ish, somewhere around there.
240?
Yeah.
You'll never get it in this area.
You don't think so?
I got 8 homes around here. I buy them.
Oh, okay.
I don't know how this one got away from me. I've got 2 of them for sale for 185. And
nice.
What's the least you think you're gonna take for this? What would you take for it like it is, and I'll finish remodeling?
Right now?
Yeah.
185.
How much?
185.
I'll give you 160.
I can't do that.
Let me look. Wait a minute now before I talk. Let me look at it.
So anyhow, I would open this. It's a big house. It's a great house. We have a very cool idea. Yeah, great parking, good roof, solid property. All right, I'm calling you right now and I'll text you.
Okay.
Zach, let me know right away because we're starting construction.
All right, I'll check back with you.
Take care, Fred. Back to regularly scheduled programming.
I give you 150 right now.
I give you 120. What do you want? Everybody's got a price. What do you want? How you doing? Oh, okay.
I don't know how this one got away from me.
So we're like the David Copperfield of houses. Magically, we come in and buy these deals. I think opening this up is the way, don't you think? It'll look great. This is just a basic closet. Let's kill this closet. This kills that space. What we could do, honestly, to make it even feel better and half the price, just put a picture window in here. Bring some natural light. So then still run it this way. We don't need any island, and then you have a dining space in this corner. We're not doing that with all the block wall. Fine. So let's bring this down, agreed. So open it up. We're gonna run the kitchen that we already have all the plumbing here anyways, which is nice. Kill this corner. Now you got a nice kitchen. We got plenty of uppers over here. If we're running ducts anyways too, you can just pull this off or utilize depending on what we need to do. Then you have dining space in here and everything else works. We just need to figure out the plumbing for this room over here. It's easy when you walk in a house that's full of furniture and you think you have the whole design plan, then when all the furniture and all the refuse gets taken out, it's much easier to collaborate. It's important to throw those ideas, you figure it out, you stick to the game plan and move forward. So get us a square footage. So let's do tile here, tile in this room. You can't have carpet because you're coming in from the outside. Tile all this kitchen in these areas. Guest house, tile for sure because you're coming inside, and we could just do carpet in these 2 rooms right here. Here you have all the plumbing running over here to that water heater. Then you start to re-plumbing everything. It's a little ridiculous. You don't have to overthink it. If we're gonna spend $500 to relocate, that's insane. Again, this area is not some multi-million-dollar area. You don't want to overdo some things. We're gonna be the only game in town, unless of course our new buddy Fred buys this as is, which if I'm a betting man, he ain't buying this as is. So gorgeous property. I like having dual access because you can come in from the back, you can come in from the front, and then it'll give utmost flexibility with the space. A lot of times people are coming home from colleges and whatnot, depending on who's coming here. It's nice to have your own private, ensuite. Shoot, that thing would rent for $500 or $600. So if someone's gonna buy this for cash flow or a buy and hold individual, you can rent this out and you have your main house, which is still a 3-bed, 2-bath. It's a beautiful thing. So this turned into 4-3, gives you a lot of flexibility, diversifies your options on the exit, which is always important. You always wanna cast the widest net. You never wanna fish with one pole, you wanna fish with multiple poles and big nets, which gives you a lot more opportunity on the exit. Guys, thanks for watching this walkthrough. It stunk in there. That's what I love. Stinking houses mean stinking amazing opportunities, that's for sure. Everybody sees art and houses differently, right? Some people love certain styles and different artwork, and other people think it's ugly. Well, I'll take anything, we'll convert it and make it absolutely beautiful. In recap, picked up this bad boy for $145,000. Plan on putting between $30,000 and $33,000 in improvements on this. Hope to exit right around the $240,000 mark, converting this into a 4-bed, 3-bathroom home. There's nothing like it out there. It gives tremendous flexibility. It also enables me to cast the widest net on the exit strategy. Whether I want to rent it out, I can get a good yield based on the bedrooms and baths, or I decide to, of course, flip it. Also, I've seasoned this. I had to hold this for 60 days as the previous tenant gave her post-possession, because right now with COVID, you have to be adapting and flexible and pivot on your normal strategies. But all that did was enable me to carry this a little bit longer and season it for what's called an FHA buyer. You can't sell a house in the first 90 days to a potential FHA buyer. Most of this neighborhood is FHA, so it's important to give that seasoning, get the home seasoned, so that again, I'm not gonna just have a beautiful home sitting there waiting for vandalism. I can finish the house, market it for an FHA buyer, get on the market, execute, and move on to the next deal. So in summation, this thing is nasty, trash to cash. You got the numbers, and we're rocking and rolling. We'll see you soon. Don't forget, if you like these videos, to like and subscribe. We're gonna be providing a lot more content every single day. See you soon.